How to shopping on your Temu app. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I will tell you how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first you should come and open your Temu application like I'm doing right now, which will take you to your homepage directly. Now you have to choose, for example, the thing that you want to buy. We choose just, for example, random things. I just want to show you how this going on Temu app. I will for example, I don't know, fishing gear. I was looking for this. I will choose one from here, for example this, and then what I should do right now, guys, I will just click add it on cart. Here I can, for example, choose the picture. Here the quantity. I will click add to cart, and then I will click here. Wait, and I will, when I am done, for example, I want to buy it, I will just click checkout. I will write all, click continue checkout. Click, for example, phone name, I don't know. I will just I will just write random things because I just want to show you how things it's going. Click save, and then it will take you to add your payment method. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch channel. See you in another video.